Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore interval data. This is a crucial concept in statistics that helps us understand how we measure things where the order matters and the differences are precise, but zero does not mean empty. To understand where interval data fits in, let's look at the 4 levels of measurement. We start with nominal data, which is just names or categories. Then we have ordinal data, where the order matters. The third level is interval data, which is our focus today. It adds the concept of equal distance between values. Finally, the fourth level is ratio data, which has a true zero. So, what exactly is interval data? It is a type of data measured along a scale where each point is placed at an equal distance from one another. It has 3 main requirements. First, it has a specific order. Second, the differences between values are meaningful. And third, and most importantly, it has no true zero point. Let's break these characteristics down. First, interval data is ordered. Just like ordinal data, there is a logical sequence. We can clearly say that 30 is greater than 20 and 20 is greater than 10. The values have a rank. The second characteristic is that the differences are meaningful. This is a big step up from ordinal data. With interval data, the space, or interval, between each value is exact and equal. The difference between 10 and 20 is exactly the same magnitude as the difference between 80 and 90. The third and perhaps most tricky characteristic is that there is no true zero. In interval data, the number 0 exists, but it does not mean nothing or empty. It is simply another point on the scale. We say that the 0 is arbitrary. The most famous example of this is temperature, measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Think about 0 degrees Celsius. Does it mean there is no temperature or no heat? No, it is just the point where water freezes. You can go colder into negative numbers. Because 0 doesn't mean empty, it's interval data. Another great example is calendar years. The year 2000, 2010, and 2020. The time difference between each of these is exactly 10 years, but notice there is no year 0 that represents the beginning of time itself. The starting point of our calendar is arbitrary. Because of these properties, we have specific rules for math. You can add and subtract these values. For example, the difference between 30 degrees and 20 degrees is 10 degrees. That is valid. However, you cannot multiply or divide. You cannot say that 40 degrees is twice as hot as 20 degrees because the 0 point is not real. Let's summarize what we have learned. Interval data is ordered. The differences between points are equal and meaningful, and there is no true zero. 0 is just a position on the scale. Common examples include temperature scales like Celsius and Fahrenheit, dates, and IQ scores. Thanks for watching. You now have a solid grasp of interval data. But you might be wondering, what happens if we actually do have a true zero, like with height or weight? That leads us to our next topic, ratio data.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.